बकवास कोई न था, नोटिस देखा।
भाजी 2 चाउमीन 1 पराठा, आलू पराठा बस।
It's today's 10th, sorry, 11th.
10th. That's a nice thing.
We're sitting here in this nice view of like the entire valley. You can even see we're sitting here, probably planning for next few days. So there are some agitation happening in Assam, it seems. So we plan to stay one more day here in Arunachal. Today's plan is to actually visit. There is a helmet top and there is a war memorial there. So today is like kind of chill day. We'll not be riding much. Do some in search of fun online. Sun is up.
Also, we're sitting closer to the border, where behind that mountain is Myanmar, and towards the left is China. Not like just behind, but slightly. We are on that tri-nation,
yeah, almost like 3-state point. It's like a 3-country point. I've been to 3-state point.
I know, I've seen the video.
Good morning. We are 2 of us off to like roam around here. Sarath will be taking rest today, so he has to copy stuff and like do a lot of stuff. I love the exhaust of this Dominar. I'll show you how it sounds in the morning. It's beauty. भैया ये हेलमेट टॉप कैसे जाना? हेलमेट टॉप? हाँ. Noda. This is awesome. We'll go there while coming back. Really good time with talking to soldiers. They made some nice tea. They told us about the war situation here back in 1962. So there were about 26 soldiers martyred here during the war, but nobody knows the detail about those soldiers, like who are they, what's their name or anything. They have built a war memorial with a name like unknown soldiers. They felt really nice because they really don't get to speak to the civilians much here. This is about 20 kilometers away from Walong and nobody really come this far. Shit. Ade nai mari. I don't know.
Can we take it?
Illi. Tavana kodava. Ain pattala po.
Sure.
Yes. Nananjundu. Nandu patan. Patan nodu. Nedu patan. Atuchu. Oh Nananji. तू या नहीं This one is a bit wild.
Bit wild. How we are going to take this? Can you take?
Gloves part button. Button on get it cost. He'll it cost. Fuck, it's bleeding. Hi. Where are your gloves? Where are your gloves?
Your blood, man, you're bleeding.
All this. Ancha mast patla mast full inch na inch. Okay.
Fine.
Full.
This one I'm holding. Okay. Other one. Oh my God.
Holding?
Wait. Oh. Okay, I'm holding the both.
Undata? Actually, we seen them pups while going up. We didn't know who it belonged to. When at the top is the military camp, and where we saw the mother of these pups. So they told like, yeah, that's probably the kids were actually like got lost. We'll drop the pups and then we head back down. Doesn't know that we have returned the pups. It was the angry one. We've just given the pups there. I don't know. I can't record there. I gave it to the soldiers. I didn't tell them about this. Probably otherwise they would bandage it or something. It's not that bad. I can ride without gloves until down, and then we will. Seems to be a waterfall. Let me see if I can go closer look. It's slippery. It looks like all Nat Geo stuff. That's beautiful. This is the hospital. So there's nobody, no patient at all. Like everything is closed down. So she came and like applied some medicine. So she asked to keep it open only so that it will dry faster. We'll be now heading to, I think garam pani is one thing which we will miss if we don't go today. So probably we'll go there now.
Is it?
Full missing.
Huh? Seriously? Oh, it has a smell.
Sulfur.
Sulfur.
This is like jacuzzi. You could see all this, and you see this. Come on, guys, don't do this. Don't do this. Don't spoil our nature. It's the Battle of Walong. I think the number of people martyred here. They've written all the names. On that side as well.